My next guest says that nvidia controls AI. I want to bring in now Valtrion CEO Rob Luna. So Rob, listen, they've been writing off nvidia for years since this whole AI rally began. What do you anticipate next year?
I anticipate nvidia to continue to do what it does, Charles, which is go up. Is it going to continue to go up as much as it has over the next 3 years? No, but I do expect it to outperform the market with the latest acquisition of Grok. Now they're thinking and responding quicker than anyone else. And you just said it, Charles. If you haven't heard it, AI is not going anywhere. I spend my day with companies thinking how they're going to increase their budget towards AI. It's not going anywhere. NVIDIA is not going anywhere. It's a core holding for everybody. It should be anyway.
You've got a somewhat cautious target on the market next year. The S&P 7,200. And of course, you always underline this is one of the reasons why stock picking matters. But a quasi-accommodative Fed, maybe slow multiple expansion, dispersion of the market. Talk to us about this. A little bit more tepid than the rest of the street.
Yeah, let me first caveat that, Charles, but I spend next to no time putting price targets on the S&P 500. If I knew what the market was going to do next year, I probably wouldn't be talking to you. And so I spend my time doing bottoms-up research on stock picking. The reason I'm a little bit more cautious, Charles, on the market right now is valuations are a little stretched. We've got some underlying credit issues right now. And I think like some of your previous guests, I think we're going to see a sell-off probably earlier on the year, followed by a massive rally. I do think the Fed is behind the 8 ball right now, so I think later in the year they'll start having to cut a lot quicker than most people are thinking. That's when I think the market takes off. But earlier on, I think you got to be just a little bit more cautious.
All right, so let's talk about where you like opportunities. You put an interesting quote out there with respect to small caps. You want folks to be there. There's opportunity there, but you say, quote, you need a basket of small caps, not a lottery ticket.
Yeah, so when you guys asked me to talk about a few stocks, I didn't want to give you a few small cap picks. This year, small caps were our best performing ever. I think it's going to happen again next year. So I'll share that with you guys at the beginning of the year. But if you're looking for 3 big names, I've got 3 names I really like, which are Meta, CrowdStrike now, and Verizon for different reasons we could talk about.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna bring those up, but I just like the notion that hey. Because some people say, okay, I'll take a shot. They treat it more like a lottery pick instead of doing authentic research, because this is where these opportunities come from. If you catch them early enough, it changes your life. So let me go to your one of the top 20 picks that you gave us this year, Oklo. And here's the thing: we've got the chart behind me. This stock's come down a lot. You still made the top 20 with this. So I guess it underscores potential volatility. And the question is, are you still long? Would you still be a buyer?
Yeah, still long Oklo, and your previous guest was talking about SMR, NewScale also. I think that's an opportunity. Look, there's a lot of profits in these names. We also did take some profits in the names, but we still hold them, and I would be looking, as soon as you see these stabilize a little bit, I think you might see some more people trying to do some selling at the beginning of the year to avoid the taxes for this year. Right. These are some of the names I would buy.
I got you. Also, your picks. You mentioned CrowdStrike, Meta, and Verizon. So I'm thinking back to Sesame Street. One of these things does not seem like the other. Okay. How did Verizon get in there? What's going on?
Yeah. Again, Charles, if I'm trying to give people 3 picks, and here's what you're looking for: Meta and CrowdStrike for a lot of the same reasons. Huge growth, reoccurring revenue, great balance sheets. I think those stocks are huge long-term winners. But like I said, I do expect some volatility at the beginning of the year. You might want to have a dog of the Dow, which is Verizon. You got about a 7% yield. I don't think they'll cut. And when the Fed starts to cut rates, I think people chase yield, and I think Verizon could benefit from that.
Love the rationale there. Happy New Year, Rob. You've been fantastic. We appreciate you.
You too. Thanks, Charles.
All right.